Here question number 5. Find the value of x comma y for which the lines AD and BC become parallel. So here in this question, AD and BC are the parallel lines. So AD and BC are the parallel lines. And asking to find out what is x and y value. Here some angles values are given. Here one angle is 30 degrees and one angle is 5y, and at B it is 2x, and at C the interior angle is x minus y degrees. Okay, here we need to find out x and y angles. Okay, let us write the given information. Given in this figure, AD is parallel to BC. So in this figure, AD is parallel to BC line. Okay, then we can take, so this AC line is the transversal. Is it? We can take the AC line is the transversal. Okay, and one more thing, here the two lines are intersecting. If you observe here two lines are intersecting. Here the two lines are intersecting lines. We can take it, the line AC line and this AD line are intersecting each other. So this is the AC line, AD line, AC line and the AD line are intersecting. So then we know that one vertically opposite angles are equal. So here is the angle is here 30 degrees. So these two are the intersecting lines. Then we can take it as these two are the equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So it is 30 degrees means here also 30 degrees. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So that's why we can take in this figure, here it is the 30 degrees. Okay. And then in this figure, two lines are parallel lines. Is it? Here AD and BC are the parallel lines. Then AC is the transversal line. AC is the transversal line. A, D, okay. And then here B is there. So C. So these two are vertically opposite angles. That's why this is the 30 degrees and this is also 30 degrees. We got it. And then if we see these two are the parallel lines, then this is called the transversal line, AC line. Then these two are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So here the angle name is x minus y. So it is x minus y. So we can say here AD is parallel to BC, then AC is transversal. So AC is transversal. And here we can say here vertically opposite angles. These two are the vertically opposite angles. And then that's why we can say here angle x minus y is equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Let us take this one as the first equation. X minus y is equal to 30 degrees. So how we got the x minus y is 30 degrees means in this figure these two lines are the intersecting lines if we take, and these are called vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. That's why here angle will be the 30 degrees. And then these two are the parallel lines and this is called the transversal line. So then transversal line alternate interior angles are equal. So that is only how shown here. These two are vertically opposite angles. That's why the angle value is here 30 degrees. And then so AC is the now transversal line and these two are vertically opposite angles, alternate interior angles, and they are equal angles. So x minus y value is 30 degrees. This is, we'll take it as first equation. Okay, and then if we take the triangle, A, B, C. So one angle is 2x degrees, one angle is x minus y degrees, and if we see, it is an extended angle from A, so its angle AC line is extended, so it's forming an exterior angle, is it? So it is an exterior angle of a triangle. So exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So this here, the exterior angle value is nothing but 30 degrees and the 5x. So here it is 30 degrees and 5y is nothing but an exterior angle. So we can say exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles of the triangle. Therefore we can say here 2x plus x minus y is equal to 30 plus 5y. So why? Because it is an exterior angle. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So now we'll solve this one. So 2x plus x, 3x, minus y, send this 5 to left side, minus 5y, which is equal to 30. So 3x minus 6y, which is equal to 30. So take out the 3 common, x minus 2y is equal to 30. X minus 2y is equal to 30 by 3, which is equal to 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. Let us solve the 1 and 2 equations. X minus y is equal to 30 degrees and x minus 2y is equal to 10 degrees. Solving here, this is plus we'll take and this is minus. So here 1y is equal to 20 degrees. So y is equal to 20 degrees. So y value is 20. Is it? 2y minus 1y is equal to 1y. Y equal to 20 degrees. So y value is 20 degrees. And then x is equal to, equating, substituting either any one of the equation, x minus 30 is equal, x minus y is equal to 30 degrees. So y value we got 20, x minus 20 is equal to 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 plus 20. So x is equal to 50 degrees. So x is 50 and y is 20 degrees. Hence proved.